In this video today, I'm going to be showing you just how you can use this one app to make $3 daily. Sometimes you can even make more than $3 daily, but I can guarantee you $3 daily. You don't have to do any tax. You're not performing any tax. All you need is just this app, your smartphone, and access to data. That is all you need, and you can make $3 just by having this app on your phone. So what you are going to do right now is follow me till the end. Watch this video. At the end, ensure that you subscribe and also give this video a huge thumbs up. That is if you end up enjoying it. I'm not going to force you to, but I know definitely for a fact you are going to be enjoying this. So let's get into it already. So the name of this app is Spawns. I don't know if you've heard about it before, but that is the name of the app. It is Spawns. The most important thing is that it's available for Nigerians. So whether you're a Nigerian or not, whether you live in Nigeria or not, you can access this particular application. So what you are going to do is head over to your Google Play Store or whatever that you use to download your applications, and then you go over to the search bar right on that. If you're using Play Store, you head over to the search bar and you just type Pawns. Look at it here, you guys. Pawns app. You just type it and then it is going to come out. This is what it looks like over here. Ensure that you're seeing this so that you don't download something else entirely. So when you're done downloading, when you click on it, you're going to be having installed. Then you click on install just like you have it here. The moment you click on install, you're going to see this interface, which is open right over here, and then you click on it. When you click on it, it will bring you directly to the app. Now, one thing about this app is that you must turn on your location. That is to tell you that you do not need a VPN. Aside what I'm going to be showing you today, this app allows you to take surveys, share your data, and all of that. I think I mentioned it in one of my videos, but I didn't emphasize this part, and that is why we want to do this video real quick. So you guys, all you need to do is the moment you come onto the app, go ahead and turn on your location so that you can access it. Then this is what the home page looks like. You come over to earn. This is what it looks like. Then you come over to quest, which allows you to do a whole lot of stuff like spin for free, and then whatever you get, you can just, that can just be a bonus for you. Okay, so I just got 15 points. I'm going to close that right away because that's not the essence of this video. Then you come to community. This is where the whole thing is. All right, let's go to profile first. Look at what the profile looks like. You do not need to do too much. Just set up your profile with your email account or your email address, rather, the same way you do with other apps. So let's head over to community. So if you look at this, if you come over here right now to this community down here, you're going to see all of these referral code, QR code, and all of that. But this is the interesting part. Now, look at this, you guys. This is quite interesting. Earn $3 now. Invite a friend with the options below. You will both earn easy money. I don't know how some of you take information. I don't know how some of you, accept and process information. But you see me, when it has to do with making money, when it has to do with getting to earn something, no matter how little it is, I do not take it lightly. So the moment I saw this, I'm like, no way, I'm not going to keep this. I'm going to be sharing this with my community because you guys, yeah, the year is coming to an end. As I speak, it is Christmas Day and I am super excited because it's Christmas. So let me just say to you, Merry Christmas to you, a super Merry Christmas to you. I wish you the best going forward. So back to this. So all you need to do is to invite a friend, like invite just one person, and then you earn free $3. You are not doing anything. You're not performing any tax. You're not doing anything. Like, you are literally not doing anything. All you need to do is to invite a friend. Now, if you come over here, you're going to be seeing your referral code, right? This is your referral code over here, and this is what you need to make this $3 daily. You can make more because if you end up inviting more, of course, you can make more. So, this is exactly how I am doing it. I'm telling you exactly how I am doing it, how I am going about it. All you need is this your referral code, right? The moment you download the app, you come over to community, you're going to be seeing your own referral code. And this is the referral code you need to perform this magic. I call it magic because it is absolutely magic. I mean, who gives you $3 for free? With today's exchange rate, that's magic, guys. I can't even lie. Do not mind me. So, this is exactly what you need to do. You copy this referral code. Let us assume you have a 9 to 5 and you have like 4 to 5 colleagues, right, working in your office. Let me not even say that, oh, there you have like 10, you have like 50 people working in the same place as you. So let's just assume that you have 5 people working in the same organization as you, in the same space as you. I don't want you to even overthink it. So all you need to do is to tell them about this application. Just tell them that, oh, there is an application that helps you make $3 daily by simply inviting just one person. So even if it means them inviting just one person and then earning $3, that is their own. But you are bent on leveraging on all of them so that you can make more than $3. Okay. So this is how you do it. You just get them to download the app. If they do not have data, I go as far as sharing my data with people because I want them to simply download this app and then so that I can make the referral bonus. So some people will be like, oh, I don't have data. I'm like, okay, I'm going to turn on my hotspot. And then I quickly turn on my hotspot and then they go ahead and download. The moment they download, I ensure that they use my referral code over here because I need the $3. So I follow them up and ensure that they've done the necessary registration and then I get credited my $3. So that's one way that you can go about it. So let us say you have like 3 to 5 people that actively view your WhatsApp status. I mean, your WhatsApp status, a lot of people make so much money from WhatsApp status just from getting views. This could be your own side hustle. What you need to do is go to your WhatsApp status and say, this particular app paid me $3 right now. If you want details or you want to know about it, DM me. They send you a DM and immediately they send you a DM. The essence of the DM is so that you can guide them to downloading the app and then using your referral code. Because if they download the app and they do not use your referral code, you're going to be missing out, right? So the essence of telling them to DM you is so that you can guide them and then they use your referral code so that you get it. Another way is that you have maybe a YouTube channel, you have a TikTok account, you have an Instagram account, you're on Facebook story. You guys, all you need to do is take this application, go and publicize it. Don't say, I don't like to do that, I don't like to do this, because all of those excuses are not going to pay your bills. I don't know. So all you need to do is just follow these steps. If you have a job, do the same with your colleagues. If you have this is of course Christmas season, so you're either back at home or maybe you're still at work. If you're back at home already, where you have your mom, you have your dad, you have your siblings, everybody is around, quickly take their phone. This one is violent, taking it by force. Quickly take their phones and then immediately download the app, do the registration for them, and then get your $3 credited to you. Sweet update, isn't it? I know. Do not snooze on this. You guys, do not snooze on this. Just get on this immediately. See how you can also leverage on this opportunity and make something for yourself. Go and do the math. Dollar is, I think, 1,600 or thereabout at the moment. Go and do the math times 3. So let's just assume you even get like 5 people daily or like 3 people daily. Let's not do too much. Like 3 people daily, that's $9. Calculate that in Naira today. You can see that can actually help you achieve a dirty December. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, go ahead. Don't allow all this my effort to be in vain. Go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, because why not? Give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, go and leave me a comment down below and then as quickly as possible subscribe if you haven't. You guys, we are on our way to 1K subscribers, and help us get there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.